today we are on Lady Bear Lake, supreme clear water, and I am just kind of throwing around, seeing what they might be biting on, just trying to figure out what they're doing today. I love Austin. Hold on. Austin is definitely, I would say, one of my favorite places. So I'm throwing a weightless Senko right now. I'm probably gonna go with a Texas rig in a second here. This is where you need your swim baits and stuff. I'm surprised I didn't bring them. I'll try a frog. I read that frogs are good out here. So I'm gonna try a frog. Okay, so didn't get him on film. Oh, great. So I casted right by this tree that I'm sitting at, and I got him, but he got hung up in the tree, so then I had to pretty much put my rod down there. And then I had to pretty much put my rod down there to get him. And then he got hung up on a tree out of water. It was just so chaos. But there he is. First fish today. "13 and a half inches. There we go. And he swam off to the deeps of 10 feet. So what I am fishing with to catch that one is a weightless Senko. And I'll show you the color. So pretty much a Texas rig Senko with no weight. On a spinning rod, 6'9" spinning rod with 12-pound fluorocarbon. And the rod is a medium. Another one. He is decent. Hold on. I've got to pull him out. Okay, well, my microphone stopped working at this exact point right here. And what I am saying is I have a fish to my dad. And, well, I am netting the fish now. I had to pull it out. Good job, reverse. And now I am freaking out that I actually got it in and how it got caught in a tree multiple times. And now I am getting the hook out. I got the hook out. And now it is overly shaking in my hand. There it is. And trying to measure it right here. So I'm putting it on. And it is 15 inches. Wow. That's a monster. So putting him back. And he swam off peacefully. So let's get back out there. Here we go. Okay, guys, so I just now hooked a nice bass. Okay, so I'm using kind of like a blackish brown. Oh, he is going under. Still got some bite in him. Okay, well, I need to get my net out. So I'm gonna see. Okay, got it. Okay, I cannot see the fish. Hold on. Okay, that's decent. Oh, he is going wild. Fish gone wild. There we go. Look at that. Oh, sorry, dude. Hey, calm down. Look there. Nice fish.
That's a nice one. Good color.
Mm-hmm.
Real good color. How long is that fish?
He is 16 and a half inches.
Nice.
There we go. Okay, let's let him go. There he goes. I'll show you what I'm using. I'm using a Texas rigged kind of blackish worm. Hey guys, so we are back home as you can see, and I forgot to do an outro on that video, and I am going to do that now. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to click like and subscribe and comment below on anything you would like to see next. And as always,
well, now take down your fishing pole and meet me at the fishing hole.